Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your active campaign account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you delete or remove a contact from your active campaign account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to delete or remove a contact in your active campaign anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing email marketing, you know that sometimes your contacts or subscribers write back with a nasty message, so it's better to just go ahead and delete them. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your active campaign dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my account and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you need to delete or remove a contact, on the left menu here, click on contacts. All right, once you do that, you're going to see a long list of all of your contacts in active campaign. You can see I just have 4. And in order to delete a contact or remove them, there's a few different ways you can do it. First off, if you're going to remove more than one, you can go ahead and just check these little boxes next to their name. And once you've chosen all of the contacts you would like to remove from your active campaign, click on delete. Or if you're doing it one by one, you can easily click over here on this little arrow next to their name. Once you click there, it's going to give you a drop-down menu and you can go ahead and click on delete. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see this pop up asking if you're sure you would like to delete them because they will be removed from any lists or accounts or deals. If you're okay with that, check right here, I understand. All right, once you check there, you want to click on delete. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes. Now you can see that contact has been deleted from my active campaign account, so they will no longer receive contact from me through my active campaign account. Also, if you have a huge list of contacts, you can easily click here on the search contacts and search by name. If you're not able to find them here in the list, you can search by their first name, last name, or you can even type in their email just by searching in this box. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to delete or remove a contact in your active campaign account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.